Hey guys, how are you doing? Welcome to my channel. Today, I'm taking you to Nice, where the sun kisses the sea, the colors glow brighter, and every moment feels like a postcard come to life. Let's dive into the magic of the French Riviera. Now we're in Vieux, Nice, the city's vibrant old town. These colorful streets date back to the 17th century, filled with Baroque architecture, cozy cafes, and the scent of fresh pastries and lavender. It's one of France's most charming historic quarters, where every turn feels alive with art, history, and that irresistible Mediterranean energy. Getting from Nice Airport to the Promenade des Anglais is super easy. Just hop on the direct public bus, and in minutes, you'll be gliding along this iconic palm-lined boulevard with the sparkling Mediterranean on your side. A single ticket costs only about €2, making it quick, cheap, and scenic. The perfect start to your Riviera adventure. As the sun sets, we're back in the city center, ready to get lost in Nice's charm. Golden light warms the pastel buildings, narrow streets invite us to explore, and every corner feels like a storybook come to life. It's our second day in Nice, starting relaxed after breakfast at the hotel. The city sparkles in the daylight as we wander into Place Charles Félix. Colorful facades glow, the scent of fresh coffee fills the air, and the gentle buzz of cafes and restaurants sets the perfect Mediterranean rhythm. We've just climbed to Colline du Château, the hill that once held a medieval fortress guarding Nice. At the old fountain, the views stretch across the bay, blending history and beauty. The climb from the old town takes about 10 to 15 minutes. From the panoramic deck, Nice stretches out like a living painting. The sparkling Mediterranean meets a mosaic of sunlit, colorful rooftops, while winding streets weave stories of history, life, and energy. Every view is breathtaking, timeless, and unforgettable. Now it's time to say goodbye. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and feel free to like, share, or leave a comment if you have any questions or want more information. See you next time.